This was easily one of the funnest and most peaceful hikes that I have ever been on. I think in my last hikes I have put a lot of emphasis on trying to get through as many miles as possible. But this time I've told myself that miles don't matter. The only thing that is important is the experience. So today we are doing the Chess Valley Walk. It goes from Chesham to Rickmansworth. It's been a really awesome walk so far. I started off this morning with some gorgeous morning light. The walk follows the Tess River and it is honestly a really beautiful trek, but it's very relaxing as well. It's very chilled out, it's not too taxing, but there's enough to see to make it exciting. There's been a few hills, there's a lot of river, some farmland, just generally gorgeous English countryside, and yeah, I'm having a great time so far. I would highly recommend it. I will be leaving the link to the All Trails map in the description of the video for you to check out. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoy this video and I hope it gives you a good sense of what this hike is like and how much fun it can be. So yeah, have a great day, enjoy the vid. One more thing I wanted to say is that this route was actually sent to me by Botanic London on Instagram. He follows me and enjoys the hiking content, and when I sent out a little request saying that I'm looking for a few hikes in the area, he sent this to me and I really appreciate him doing that. And shout out to him because he has made this little hike possible. It should be 12 miles all in, should be pretty chilled out, pretty fun, and just generally a good day. Coffee. While I was on my way back to Chesham, I suddenly realised that there must be thousands of people who pass through this section of the overground every week. And I started to wonder how many of those people had thought about trying to do this walk too. I wonder what's holding them back. Is it the time commitment? Is it the fear of the unknown? Or is it just something that they haven't taken seriously before? Who knows? What I do know is that the walk was lovely. It wasn't too easy and it wasn't too hard. It was enjoyable throughout, and it definitely sustained that day's hunger for adventure. If there's one thing I'd love for you to take away from this video, it would be that time spent outdoors is never a waste. I have never ever regretted going on one of these hikes. They're beautiful, they're amazing, and like I've been saying, they give you this amazing sense of adventure that you just can't get from watching TV. Anyways, if you enjoyed this film, then hit the subscribe button for more. It's down below, the red one, press it. We are very much on the race to 1,000 subscribers, so get involved, join the channel, and come be a part of the community that we are slowly and steadily creating. This project will be my 7th hiking film, and if you enjoyed this film, then I can say with pretty much absolute certainty that you are going to love the other 6 films that are already on the channel. I've hiked 18 miles along the Ashridge Boundary Trail, 42 miles along the Grand Union Canal, 24 miles on the hike that went wrong, 18 miles in Wendover, and 18 miles through Ivanhoe Beacon. That's dedication. That is well over 100 miles and even closer to 150 miles total. So if you like hiking and you need some inspiration for your next route and your next hike to go on, or if you just want some fun and positive escapism during these times, then go and check out my other videos. You will not regret it, I promise you that. Leave a comment below on the kind of videos that you want to see next, because this is the year of the channel, I'm telling you that. We're on the race to 1,000 subscribers. Join us on this journey, join the channel. I've said it a million times and I'll say it again, we'd love to have you here. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a great day.